sadness wrapped around a frame. We just see your